Bangalore bill?
BJP always walks out whenever there are progressive bills that are brought. Bengaluru is growing dynamically. In fact, it's one of the fastest growing cities in the world. Uh, and the predicted GDP for the next 15 years is above the national average of 8.5%. And in interest of people of Bengaluru, in interest of governance, in interest of administration, in interest of investments, and in interest of generating more employment, we are creating this. BJP seems to have a problem with everything that we propose for progress. If you recollect, they opposed steel flyover and now they complain about traffic jams. We are suggesting tunnels and they have a problem with that. So they've been bitten by this bug of lethargy and procrastination. They don't have any solutions. Nor do they actually tell. Okay, if they're coming up and saying, okay, this is not the way to do it. This is probably there is a probably better way to do it. We are ready to listen to that. But unfortunately, opposing just for the sake of opposing is not good for the state.
They're saying that outsiders will get a lot of space or over native Kannadigas.
See, already migration is high in Karnataka because we are creating high employment, and whoever it is, they have to come. Even yesterday, I did hear the opposition leader saying that the mayors will become people outside from Karnataka. How is that possible? They have to be domiciled to stand for elections here, and more importantly, the last BJP mayor was Mr. Gautam, who happens to be from Rajasthan, but he was born here. So what does the BJP have to say for that? So these are things that BJP likes to bring out of thin air just to appease their political masters. So they have filed a complaint to their higher BJP office. Correct? That's the Raj Bhavan. So what's surprising in that? Okay, thank you.